Hi all, this is Rachel Yadav and today I'm going to talk about Internshala. You all might have heard about Internshala, Internshala is a platform that provides online certified trainings and internships in various fields. Alright, so here in this video I'm going to talk something about Internshala. Alright, so you can learn various online skills sitting at home. All right, now these trainings are certified and given by the best educators having lots of experience in their field, and using by doing these trainings you will get a certificate of recommendation. Also you can get your dream internship or dream job when you will update your knowledge with this. Fine. You can also produce these trainings. You can also make a project on these trainings, on the trainings you are getting, and you can also produce these. You can also produce it as your final year project. All right. So that's a benefit here also. You don't need to go anywhere. You can work from your home. You can learn new skills while sitting at home, and that's a big boon. Now, coming next to the what kind of trainings Internshala provides. So Internshala provides trainings in various fields. All right, to name a few, like programming, data science, business, core engineering, creative arts, language, digital language design, specialization, fine arts. All right, so there are lots more, and all these trainings are well certified, as I told you earlier. Apart from it, the best part about these trainings are that these trainings are provided by best faculty. All right, and they also give you brain teasing exercises. These they will also provide you industrial level projects. That's a big benefit. All right, so you can get industrial level projects that you can further produce in your college as your research project or as your dissertation purpose, as a dissertation project. All right, and there is a 24-hour forum support in Internshala. All right, so if you have any doubt, you can contact your faculty 24-hour. All right, and next is the placement assistance. They also provide placement. All right, they will provide you internships, they will also provide you jobs. All right, so here is the benefit also. Next thing is that certifications, they will provide you certificate, and that's the most important part of any training. After this, the trainings, all these trainings are self-paced trainings. Self-paced trainings means that if you have certain, like that, if you have like if you are undergoing any training and suddenly your exams appear, so you can pause your trainings until your exams over, and after your exams are over, you can renew your training. All right, so here's a benefit also. Apart from it, all these trainings are of 1 to 2 months, so you can and beside all these, you can upgrade yourself with the best skills that are in demand. So if you want to go these kind of trainings, you can use my code that I will be attaching somewhere in this video link, or I will be providing in the status. So you can use my scratch code, and so you can use my code and get yourself registered, as there's a big discount on all the trainings today. All right, so don't forget to get yourself registered on Internshala. I'm sure that if you undergo it, it will definitely benefit you. For a freshers, it's a boon, and it's a good opportunity. All right, while sitting at home, you can upgrade yourself, you can upgrade your skill, and you can also get your dream job in future. So what you are waiting for, guys? Just go through it. I will be uploading the link about Internshala trainings. You can go through that page. Just go through that page and see what all the trainings are about, and can learn about that trainings. All right, and I'm sure it will benefit you all, so just go through it. Thanks for watching this video.